There are places where time and space are naturally bent. An example is the strange Lordsburg Door, located near Lordsburg, New Mexico. Periodically, as the door opens, a tree stump with a human leg embedded in it is seen near mile marker 17, out on US Highway 90. There is some evidence that these fluxes in space and time can be artificially induced. This appears to have been the case with the USS Eldridge, which took part in the Philadelphia experiment on August 15, 1943. The brilliant inventor Nikola Tesla and the theoretician Albert Einstein are both reported to have been involved in this experiment. The object was to render the ship invisible by wrapping the hull in inch-thick cable through which a high-frequency signal from an elaborate system of generators and Tesla coils was induced. The results were disastrous. When activated, the ship generated a green fog and disappeared from Philadelphia, reappearing in Norfolk Harbor 24 hours later. Many of the crew ended up embedded in the walls of the ship. Others became insane. Some were mercifully dispatched with a pistol shot to the head. Tesla was a genius of such magnitude that some doubt that he was actually human. Many of Tesla's inventions, like the free energy receiver and the long-range death ray, may have been suppressed to prevent the collapse of the electrical utility, coal, and oil industries or for reasons of national security. Tesla also attempted an experiment to use the core of the Earth like a tuning fork to conduct free electricity. In the process, he melted the town generator of Colorado Springs. At exactly the same time, an unexplained explosion in Siberia of about 15 megatons leveled hundreds of square miles of pine forests. This explosion is often dismissed as a comet or meteor impact. After his death in New York City, Tesla's files and notes on death rays and other matters were confiscated by the FBI. Some of the FBI files on Tesla were published on the Internet under the Freedom of Information Act, but these have since been removed. It's easy to sensationalize this strange American immigrant. He fell in love with a white female pigeon with violet eyes. He said he saw rays of light emanating from her eyes. He insisted on exactly 17 folded linen napkins with every meal. He constructed a tower in New Jersey to communicate with aliens. However, his fame rests on rock-solid accomplishments: the invention of alternating current, AC motors, the first radio transmitter and receiver, 2 years before Marconi, and the first to harness the power of falling water to generate electricity, at Niagara Falls.